Turning to the worsening COVID outbreak in China, many hospitals and funeral homes say they are being overwhelmed, even as the government reports only a handful of new COVID deaths. Lucy Kraft reports from Tokyo, where authorities are now responding to the surge of cases in China.
Japan is sharply limiting the number of flights to and from China, where COVID cases are exploding. Travelers from China will also be required to provide a negative test, and if infected, will have to quarantine at a designated facility for 1 week. Japanese Prime Minister Kishida called the restrictions temporary, spurred by an information void about the true state of the pandemic in China, which is lifting border restrictions early next year, a move likely to trigger a flood of Chinese travelers abroad after nearly 3 years of lockdowns under the country's draconian zero-COVID policy. Relief over the end of lockdowns has been tempered, with a nation now in extreme distress. Some estimates suggest more than half of all Beijing residents are infected. Dr. Howard Bernstein says his Beijing hospital has run out of beds.
The hospital is just overwhelmed from top to bottom.
While China says COVID has claimed only about 5,000 lives, scenes at funeral homes tell a grimmer story. Lines of coffins in an unidentified building in northern China seem endless. By at least one estimate, China's explosion of cases could kill 1 million of its citizens by the end of next year, and threatens to unleash new, more dangerous mutations. For CBS Mornings, Lucy Kraft, Tokyo.